Stage 1, indices, chapter 7, revision. Question 54. If 25 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 125 upon 5 raised to x, find x. So the first step we can do is we can, convert this 25 as 5 square raised to x plus 1. Okay, and make a habit to put brackets always. 125 is 5 cube.
5 cube.
Okay, and by using log of indices, this will become 5 raised to minus x. Okay, what are the reasons here? 25 is 5 square is the reason, and 1 upon 5 raised to x will be 5 raised to minus.
Sir, 5 cube na sir.
Huh?
Sir, 5 cube na.
25 is 5 square रे.
हाँ बोले.
125 is 5 cube. But ठीक है. So here a raised to m raised to n आठवत है is 5 raised to 2 into bracket x plus 1, and here you get 5 raised to 3 plus minus x. Okay, what are the reasons? A raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n, and secondly a raised to m into a raised to n. Okay, if bases are same, then we add the indices. Okay, so here open the brackets, you get 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 raised to 3 minus x. Now as the bases are same, okay, on both sides, as the bases are same, equating the
Sir, ते 2x plus 2 होणार ना sir?
2x plus 2. Yes, sorry. 2x plus 2. बरोबर है. When you open the bracket, it becomes 2x plus 2. Equating the
Sir, आणि ते bracket result a raised to m raised to n a raised to mn.
अरे m plus n का लिहिलंय? m a raised to mn होणार आहे. Sorry, a raised to m into n. Right. So what do we get? 2x plus 2 is equal to 3 minus x. Okay. Therefore, we have 2x plus x is equal to 3 minus 2. So 3x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 upon 3. Check kara. Eight raised to x into 4 raised to y is equal to 32. Okay. And 81 raised to x divided by 27 raised to y is equal to 3. So what do you do here? You factor 32 such that it is 8 into 4. Okay, you have to factor that in such a way that you can compare them directly. So 8 is nothing but 8 raised to 1, 4 is nothing but 4 raised to 1. So here you will get 81 raised to x divided by 27 raised to y is equal to 3. Here you have to factor in such a way that you have to use power of 3.
हाँ 3 चा 4 3 raised to 4 आणि 3 raised to 3.
Correct. There is one more way to write this. कोणाला माहिती आहे? Anyone? अजून एक मेथड आहे याला सॉल्व्ह करायची. कोण सांगताय?
सर आपण हे केलं तर 8 raised to x into 4 into y म्हणजे 32x plus y केलं तर.
हा, आता काय करायचं? 8 raised to x into 4 raised to y, you have to bring this in power of 2, all of them. ती जास्त करेक्ट मेथड आहे. माझ्या मते ते जास्त बरोबर आहे. ओके, सो लेट मी इरेज दिस वन. मी तुम्हाला दाखवतो कसं करायचं, बघून घ्या आणि मग सॉल्व्ह करा. ठीक आहे, हे बघा. What you have to do is you have to convert everything in the base of 2. So what is 8? 2 cube. And what is 4? 4 कसं लिहिणार आपण? 2 square.
2 square.
And what is 32? 2 raised to 5.
2 raised to 5.
Okay, so here using the a raised to m raised to n, you get 3x into 2 raised to 2y is equal to 2 raised to 5. Reason काय लिहिणार तुम्ही? A raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Therefore, again you have bases same. So you get 2 raised to 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 raised to 5. Why? A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay. Therefore, you get one equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. First equation. And here you can write, okay, 3 raised to 4 raised to x divided by 3 raised to 3 raised to y is equal to 3 raised to 1. Okay, now again you can use this reason 3 raised to 4x divided by 3 raised to 3y is equal to 3 raised to 1. Therefore, 3 raised to 4x, when there is division, there is subtraction. Okay, since a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay, so what do you get? So you get 4x minus 3y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. Now you have to solve them. Okay, equating the coefficients, if you remember. So I will multiply, okay, I will multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2 because they both will become minus 6. So when you multiply equation by 1 by 3, you get 9x plus how much? 6y
6y
equal to
plus
15.
equal to 30. 15. Sorry. 30.
And when you multiply equation 2 by 2, okay, what do you get?
8x minus
6y is
equal to 2.
Okay, now you have to add them. Adding equations 3 and 4. Why add? Because the coefficients of y are exactly opposite. They are same and opposite.
X equal to
Signs
7.
are
Adding
opposite.
equation 3 and 4. So you can cancel them. Okay, add kara. So plus minus cancel hotil. Right?
17x
Sorry, not x, y. Is equal to 2. When you add them, you cancel y and you get
X is equal to
17 is
13.
equal to 17. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to
X is equal to 1. एक second ले लिया.
yes. This is the correct way. Finished?
Nice sir, Samba.
Okay, great. Okay, chala next 58 first. 58 only one is there actually. X raised to a is equal to y raised to b is equal to z raised to c. Okay, and y square is equal to xz. Prove that b is equal to 2ac upon a plus c. How will you do? Tell me. What you will say is, since these indices are equal, you can say ax raised to a is equal to y raised to b is equal to z raised to c is equal to k. C. Okay, C. Now you can say that b is equal to 2a upon a plus c. बरोबर आहे कसं मग x किती आला इकडे बघा x किती आला k raised to 1 upon a. If you have a on the left hand side, you will have the reciprocal on the right hand side. Similarly, what will be y? k raised to 1 upon b. And what will be z? K raised to 1 upon c. Yes, correct? Correct? Now, y square will be what? Tell me. K raised to 1 upon b square, which will be k raised to 2 upon b. Okay? And xz will be, tell me what? K raised to 1 upon a into k raised to 1 upon c, which will be k raised to 1 upon a plus 1 upon c. Are you getting this? Which will be k raised to a c plus a upon ac, cross multiplication. But as y square is equal to xz, which means, okay, k raised to 2 upon b is equal to k raised to c plus a upon ac. Correct? So now equating the coefficients because the bases are same. So what do we get? 2 upon b is equal to c plus a upon ac. Okay? Do cross multiplication. So b will be 2ac, bring c plus a here. So you get a plus c. Same thing. Hence proved. Did you get this? Okay, 59 first. 1 upon 216 raised to minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 upon 27 raised to minus 4 by 3. Okay, what you will do first? Tell me, काय करणार तुम्ही? You'll take the reciprocal of this. बरोबर है? Okay, so this will become 216 raised to 2 by 3. Okay, it will just become positive. Don't take the reciprocal of the index yet. काही गरज नाही त्याची. Okay, divided by 27 raised to positive 4 by 3. Now, what is 216? Can anybody tell?
6 cube. 6 cube.
6 cube. Okay, so 6 cube was घ्यायचं आहे कारण हे 3 cancel होणार आहे. What is 27? 3 cube.
3 cube.
Very good. So now when you do this a raised to m raised to n, you can cancel out 3. Similarly, you can cancel out 3 here also. So you get 6 square divided by 3 raised to 4. What is 6 square? 36. What is 3 raised to 4?
81.
81. हाँ 81.
झालं ना, हेच आन्सर आहे. अजून काय? नॉट हेच आन्सर नाही. You can divide.
डिवाइड करू शकतो ना.
करा बघू divide. 12 into 3 का 9 ने होतं. 9 4 जा होतं ना रे.
Sir, 4 by 4 by
Correct.
9.
Very good, very good. And 9 into 9. 4 by 9 will be the answer. Agreed?
Yes.
Okay.
3 1/4 raised to 4 minus 4 1/3 raised to 4 upon 3 1/4 raised to 2 minus 4 1/3 raised to 2. Okay, is equal to, this is given, 13a upon 12 square. Find a. Find a. Okay, you get 3 1/4 square plus 4 1/3 square. एवढंच मिळणार आहे लेफ्ट हँड साइडला. And here you
तर
get raised to 2. Okay.
Sir, minus है sir है.
तर लेफ्ट साइड मध्ये मायनस होईल ना.
हा, अरे कसं काय बेटा? हे कॅन्सल होणार ना रे डिनोमिनेटर, मग प्लस नाही का होणार?
हा ठीक आहे.
अरे च्या, असं कसं करता तुम्ही? 4 3 12 plus 1 13 upon 4 square
13 upon 3.
plus 4 3 12 13 upon 3 square into 13a upon 12 square. आता ह्याचा एलसीएम काढा. काय आहे याचा एलसीएम?
12.
12. So what I will do, हे बघा मी कसं सॉल्व करीन. I'll take 13 common and you get 1 upon 4, 13 square common, sorry. Okay, so you get 1 upon 4 square plus 1 upon 3 square. करा बघू आता फाइंड द एलसीएम. सॉल्व करा चला.
3/12 plus 4. Sir,
A is
हो
equal
सर.
correct.
हो सर 5 है.
Very good. चलो नेक्स्ट. कळलंय सगळ्यांना मेथड कसं सॉल्व करायचं?
हो सर.
ओके, काय डाऊट? रूट 27 raised to x divided by 3 raised to y plus 4. Give brackets as far as possible. And this will be 8 raised to 4 minus x by 3 minus 16 raised to y equal to 0. Okay. Try to get an equation in x and y. Okay. Tell me what you do here.
27 raised to 1 upon 2.
Okay, 27 raised to 1 upon 2 raised to x divided by 3 raised to y plus 4. Correct. But what is 27? 3 cube, right?
3 cube.
Here I can write x by 2, isn't it? Can I write 1 as 3 raised to 0? Yes, I can. Just to, have the same basis. So here we get 3 raised to 3 into x by 2 divided by 3 raised to y plus 4 is equal to 3 raised to 0. So you get 3 raised to 3x by 2 minus y plus 4 because the indices a raised to m divide म्हणजे minus. So basically we get 3x by 2 minus y
is equal to 5.
0. So final equation will be 3x minus 2y is equal to 8. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about this? How will you solve this? Tell me. हे कसं solve करणार? Can I write this as 2 raised to 3?
हो आणि 2 raised
12
to
minus x upon 3 cross multiply minus 2 raised to 4 raised to y. And instead of 0, I can write 2 raised to 0.
2 raised to 1.
Everything in 2. So 2 raised to 3 into bracket 12 minus x upon 3. 3 cancel. So you get 2 raised to 4y is equal to 2 raised to 0. So you get here 2 raised to 12 minus x minus 2 raised to 4 minus y. Actually एक काम करू, हे 2 raised to 0 नका लिहू, 0च लिहा इथे. हे मायनस आहे, so
Plus to 0 1.
bring it to the other side and you can say 2 raised to 4y. Now you can divide. इथे लक्षात, or you can equate directly. Divide करायची गरजच नाहीये. Now you can equate. So you can say 12 minus x is equal to 4y. So x plus 4y is equal to 12. Now solve these two equations and find the values of x and y. Can you? X is equal to 2. Sorry, x is equal to 4. Y is equal to 2. Everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's do question 62 quickly. A is equal to -1 and B is equal to 2. Find first A raised to B plus B raised to A. Very easy.
सोपं आहे सर.
खूपच सोपं आहे. -1 square is 1. Negative चा square positive असतो. And 2 raised to 1 is half.
तो म्हणजे 2 upon 2 म्हणजे 1.
Ah,
नाही.
काय एवढी गडबड 1/2
हो सर ते येतो.
a raised to b minus b raised to a. Tell me half. Third, a raised to b into b raised to a. Again half, isn't it? And finally, a raised to b divided by b raised to a minus 1 square divided by 2 raised to minus 1. So 1 divided by 1 upon 2 म्हणजे 1 multiplied by 2. So you get answer 2. Is that clear? Stage 2. Indices. Example 35. Solve for x. Square root of 32 raised to 0 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 0.6 raised to 2 minus 3x. Okay, tell me how will you proceed? बोला.
तर ते 32 डिग्रीज आहे ना.
डिग्री कसा असेल? अरे raised to 0 आहे ते degree. Yes, it appears to be a degree, but it is not. Your degree doesn't have any meaning here. This is algebra. बरोबर ना?
तर ते सुपरस्क्रिप्ट वरती असायला हवं.
हो नाही बरोबर आहे पण ते raised to 0 पाहिजे ते. बरोबर.
मी stage 3 बघत होतो.
Yes, agreed.
Yes sir.
What is 5 upon 3 raised to half? तुम्हाला 0.6 करायचंय. मी आता काय करतो बघा. I say 3 upon 5 raised to minus half. Can I do this? Of course I can. बघा ट्रिक बघा आता कसं करायची. Now what is 3 upon 5? 0.6 म्हणून केलं मी हे सगळं. Yes. Now you can equate the indices. So minus half is equal to 2 minus 3x. Minus 1 is equal to 2 into bracket 2 minus 3x. Minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 6x. So 6x is equal to 4 plus 1. Right? So 6x is 5, which means x is equal to 5 upon 6. Check kara. Okay, so 0.2 is nothing but 1 upon 5. So 5 will be 1 upon 5 raised to 4 minus 3x. Now again take the reciprocal. So you take 5 raised to minus 1 raised to 4 minus 3x. Now equate. So you get 5 raised to 1 is equal to 5 raised to minus 4 plus 3x. Now equating the indices, you get 1 is equal to minus 4 plus 3x. So get 1 plus 4 is equal to 3x. So you get 5 is equal to 3x and hence x is equal to 5 upon 3. Correct? Do you observe? You cancel all of them. What do you get? X raised to 0 upon 2. Anything divided by a non-zero number is always 0. That means you get x raised to 0, but a raised to is 0, 1. So you get 1. So what is the answer? 1. 1. Stage 2. Solve for m. 15 raised to 27 divided by 15 square is equal to 15 raised to minus 2 into 15
तुम्ही
raised
90
to 5m.
39 करताय.
Yes, so division means
सर हे 39 है.
39 येतो 39 आहे.
oh sorry मग ठीक आहे आधी 39 करूया मग 38 नंतर करूया. ठीक आहे चला आधी 39 करूया. Okay, is equal to 5 raised to minus 2 plus 5m plus 2. So we get 15 raised to 25 is equal to 15 raised to 5m. Reason काय येणार a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. And a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, now the bases are equal, so we can equate the indices. So m will be 25 upon 5, म्हणजे 5. M will be 5. Please check.
Yes sir, correct आहे. Correct आहे sir.
Correct आहे. Okay, चल आता 38 करूया. Simplify. Everybody got it? Okay. Can you tell me what you will do here? How will you approach this problem? Anyone?
कसं आलं ते?
Cross multiply.
हा x आणि y.
I'm doing stepwise. Just cross multiply, nothing else. Yes. What can you do now? खूप easy आहे. See, you can directly cancel this. Yes, everything is multiplication. And you get x raised to a into x raised to b on the numerator and this on the denominator. And y raised to a into y raised to b. So you get x raised to ab. x raised to a into x raised to b काय असतं कोण सांगेल? a raised to m into a raised to n ते तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. पण मी म्हणलं b raised to m. Indices are sorry b raised to m नाही मला म्हणायचंय a raised to n काय येतं ते a raised
A
to
is equal to m.
सॉरी काय
A is equal to a raised to m n plus n.
the final answer will be x upon y raised to a plus b. This should be the answer. Check करा.